number 20, looking at the answers, it's going to be replacing variables with numbers because there are letters in your answers. First phrase, there are 75 more women than men enrolled in Linden College. Okay, cool. So just so you get some comprehension, so you could say like, well, what if men were 25? Then I know that there'd be 100 women at this school. Okay, so next phrase, if there were n men enrolled, okay, well, let's just let n equal 25 men. So I know that there are 100 women. Okay. Then in terms of n, okay, so remember, that's that same thing. If you ever see that, you don't need to read it anymore using this technique. What percent of those enrolled are men? Okay, well, you have 25 out of the 125 total, and this is that same thing. Let that student use that calculator here. So if you had 25 divided by 125, you should get, as I plug this in, 0.2. Okay, so that equates to 20%. Okay, now the student should, in step number 2, circle this, and they're going to get 20%. Okay, and put it down here with the arrow. This problem is probably 90% missed, not because of their math, but because they bubble the wrong thing in. For instance, let me show you. If you take a look at A in step number 3 of replacing variables and numbers, just plug this sucker in and see if you can match the 20%. If you did 25 over 25 plus 75, so that would be, 25 over 100, which totally isn't the 125, correct? So then we know this one's not it. So let's plug this one in. We got 25 for B over 2 times 25, which is 50 plus 75, should equal 25 over 125. Now, when they plug that into a calculator, they're going to get 0.2. And they're going to go, hey, look, it matches. And they circle this one. And the thing is, the answer that they got on their calculator was 0.2, but the number that they're trying to match is 20. And they always choose B. It's not, okay? The answer should be 100 times bigger than that. So the answer is E. So if you did this is at 100 times 25 over 2 times 25 is 50 plus 75 is going to give us, the 2500 over 125, which will equal 20. And then notice that the end is the percent, and that matches. So the answer should be E. Common mistake on this one.